The sympathy, antipathy is slowly. And it's a connection from the heart to the lower areas in us, represented even by the earth herself. And to start, please, we do 2 preparatory exercises. Just stand calmly upright. And now we do not for a moment, we start not at the heart, because our heart is so big, wherever we start, we are in our heart. But we start more in our upper system, where we have an experience of light. And we just slowly come down with a thought. It's I am, you go further down. And then you make a little step to left and right and feel into the earth. Here. But the thought, the sentence is, I am here. Yeah? I am here. And the ha, we are using it in the last exercise too. It's just a letting go. So now we are not actively pushing down, but just stand and use your shoulders a little bit and just open. And open towards what's there. Use this gesture to get that connection, a loving connection to what is there. Just let's dream down this I am a body, yes. And that's here. I am here. One last time without additional words by me. I am here. That's the attitude in which we do this sympathy gesture afterwards. Another thing, I mentioned it last week already, is usually we see all people who are active and we don't see the people who really carry things, or often we don't see them. And in this exercise it happens also easily. We see the leg which is moving, but the leg which is carrying we don't observe. And the trick to become slowly is that we observe the carrying leg and do not concentrate on the moving one. Yeah? So my suggestion is, I walk sideways. Put one foot inside. It does not put your leg. Yeah, it does not matter. And now concentrate on the foot which is in front. Feel this, or the leg, not the foot, just the whole leg, up to the hips. And then slowly make a step forward, but really just feel, what is this carrying leg doing for me? Oh, nice, thank you. And then change to the other leg, which is now in front. Make a step, but all the time feel this carrying leg. Wow. Put all your intention and love into this. The other one. Make your step. Yes. And one more step. Feel the carrying leg. Yes. And stop. Just feel your legs. Now you can go backwards and repeat it once again like this, or I do it backwards now. It's the same thing in a way. And do you notice that it makes it much easier to move slowly if you don't say, I must not move the other leg quickly, but I just love the one who is carrying the whole time. So put just one foot a little bit behind the other one, and then we can start. Yes, I move and I concentrate on the carrying one. Bye-bye. I say hello to the other one. Oh, you are carrying now. Oh yeah, my hips are carrying. Feel your hips. What are they doing now? Wow. And feel your feet, the balancing what they're doing for you now. Great. They're nearly trembling, putting all their effort into helping us to walk. Feel your legs for some seconds now, please. Okay, these two things we want to combine into the sympathy antipathy movement. I turn again, then you can see easier how I do it, like this. Feel your left leg, and please just check what is my left leg. Sometimes we get it confused about it. Okay, this is my left leg. That's this leg which supports us. And now go to the heart and just remember this I am here feeling. Just feel down towards, and then slowly move your leg forwards. And feel the carrying. Just let it flow forwards. And slowly come back again. And all the time feel the carrying leg, which slowly comes up again. Okay, one more time with this attitude. The heart, now I'm here, goes down. And slowly with this love-filled attitude, stream forward and let it stream through your leg into the world. And as so slowly come back as you've moved forward, slowly come up with the carrying leg and place both feet. And now stand and feel the feet. The difference between them. The one which was carrying, the one which was moving slowly. And when we do it 2 more times, I want to emphasize in the next exercise, the next time doing it, that it's not just I'm going down and I make a banana and I just bend my streaming down. But no, the lower system is an energy field which always moves forwards. There's a constant stream forwards. And we just connect with this stream and are carried forward by this stream. And when we come back, we do not withdraw and take everything up again to us where it has been, but in a way, when we come back, we stay down there. We stay connected with the energy we have met down there. Okay, 2 more times. Downwards. Slow, feel the energy flow with which you connect. Sympathy. Slowly come back, but stay there. Feel this energy system down there. Arrive in your heart, but be still connected what's there. Last time without me talking additional words. Sympathy. Compare the feelings of your legs, of your hips. How do they feel now? Okay. For the antipathy, we have another aspect. I show the movement first, and then we look deeper into it. So I turn again. Then you can follow me easier. And it's in a way a polarity, but very different. So you stand, you feel the carrying leg, and slowly you move the other one backwards. Slowly. But it's not difficult because you feel the carrying leg. Place your toes on the ground. Support yourself through your toes And use your thighs, stretch your thighs now to carry energy from the toes through the thighs into your spine, stretching your back until you feel it even arriving in your head. And you become very strong inside. Your spine becomes strong and your view precisely looks forwards. I don't like that. And then slowly, slowly come forward again. Slowly, slowly place your foot next to the other one. Feel both and compare the feeling in them too. And give them some time to talk to each other. The hips might have to talk to each other. And then they are similar again. Sympathy is not, I withdraw, that's something else. Antipathy, sorry. Antipathy is, I don't like this. And you're very much connected with what you don't like. You smell strongly the smell you don't like. You are in the smell. It's disgusting and so on. And you can tell everybody precisely exactly what the smell is about and so on. Yeah? And where it comes from. So it's a being present. Let's do it once again. And then I give additional information. Feel your left leg. Slowly move your right one backwards. Back, 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 back. Feel into the space behind. Connect with the ground. Bring the energy through your thighs, into your back, into your spine. Let it even carry your head. And it's very inside. Slowly, slowly, slowly come forward. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Feel the carrying leg. All the time the carrying one. Place it. And feel your hips. Let them talk. Because they have to do quite a job. Okay. One more aspect for this I want to share with you is the I. That's if you do the German I, but it also lives in the English I, is a composition of what the in the German way pronounced letters R, this open gesture. You can follow me now because I would like to show you something. The E, which is not only a crossing, but two different energies meet. So one hand meets the other one. One soft palm meets the back of the other one. And when this hand, the back, feels met, all the time when feels seen, one starts to grow inwardly. So this hand, wherever it is touched, like the sun starts to grow, and through this hand slowly comes up. Yeah? In eurythmy, when you just do I, you often do I just, you touch something, like caressing a child. Yeah? That makes sense, but if you look deeper into it, what's behind this, when you caress a child, you do it, you give it something, you send him forces to grow. That's why you caress the child. And that happens in you too. So again, carefully, that's the art gesture, observing. Being observed, being met makes you grow. And this making you grow lets you even grow inside. What happens in the arm also happens in here. There's a whole video which is for free in this course about the vowels, basic gesture of the vowels, where I explain it into depth. And in this sympathy, antipathy exercise, this happens too. We arrive in our center. So, when I said with sympathy, we stay down there, where do we stay when we come back from the antipathy? So let's do it again now, please. Prepare by feeling the standing leg. Slowly let the other one move backwards. feel into the space behind. Bring the energy and now feel how this inner energy starts to rise. Feel centered in your verticality. Arrive at yourself. Through this, which I don't like, I feel myself. And when you bring the foot back forwards, slowly rest, keep this being centered, keep this I feel myself until the foot is placed. Feel both legs, feel your hips. One last time, antipathy. Antipathy. And keep this being centered. Keep it, feel your carrying leg. Place it. Let your breath react. Feel your legs. Sense in direction towards your hips. Let them talk to each other, the one who has been carrying all the time, the other one who was allowed to move freely. And sit down for a minute or two to listen to the resonance of this exercise. So you had to work quite hard, always standing on one leg, always being so slowly, which might be even harder work than being quick. How does the body feel now? Exhausted or enlivened? Your hips, who probably hurt a little bit when you talk to them, do they say, I never want to have this experience again? Or do they say, oh, yeah, maybe we could try it again? Could even be nice. Do you feel more warm, more cold? Is there difference between your legs and the upper body in the experience of warmth? And so on. Just relax. Don't put any effort in discovering things. It will come by itself.